Video, we're going to be eating Ethiopian food for the very first time. So they got the market right here, and they have the restaurant right here. This place is super authentic. I'm excited.
Guys, እኔ ራሱ ጋጉቻለሁ ማለት ነው። ምን አይነት ምግብ ሊቀምሱ እንደሆነ እኔ ራሱ ጋጉቻለሁ።
Ethiopian food is like a family style that your hand is your fork. In the food, we made sauce out of beef, lamb, or chicken, or vegetarian. We have
ስሙ ሰዎች ለካስ እኛ ብቻ ነን በእጃችን የምንበላው። ብዙ ሀገር ላይ በእጅ አይበላም፣ በተለያየ ነገር ነው እንጂ የሚበሉት ማለት ነው። እና ልክ ስትል ነው የሰማኋት ማለት ነው። ዩር ሃንድ ኢዝ ዩር ፎርክ ስትል ኦኬ፣ እንደ ሹካ ነው የምንገለገለው እጃችን ምናምን ነው ሀሳቡ። እና ከበላምላቸው የተነሳ እኛ ብቻ መጠቀም ያስችል ነበር።
something called injera. So my recommendation to you when you come first time, this is our very special dish. Wash special tips. And it is a tenderloin meat. It's very soft and delicate. And then here is a vegetarian dish, gumbo, and a meat combo. So those three, let's start with that.
Okay, that sounds
Yeah.
good. And I have one request. I know Ethiopia was the first country with coffee.
Yes.
So I need an Ethiopian.
ኦ ጋይስ፣ ወይኔ በማርያ ወይኔ በማርያ አዘባችሁታ። የዚህ ያህል ነው የሚያውቁን ሰዎች ደግሞ እኛ ቡና ብቻ ነው የምንተዋወቀው። ወይ የኛ ሹሯችን አያውቁም እንዴ? እነሱ ንቀት ነው። ግን ሴትዮዋ ምን ሆና ነው የረሳችሁ? ራሱ እሷ ራሱ እኮ አላስታወሰችም ነበር ቅመሱ ምናምን ብላ።
Ethiopian coffee. Oh, right now. So,
Yes. Oh, shame on me. How do I forget that? You know what? We also have homemade Ethiopian honey wine. I would recommend that.
we'll have 2 glasses.
ጋይስ የቅድሙ መልስ የምትለው የሚመስለው ማለት ነው። እሷ ቡናውን ረሳች። ሲያስታውሷት እሷ ምን አለች? ጠጅ ትዝ አላት።
Thank you so much.
Oh my god, everything she describes sounds so good.
really
It's so
does.
tasty. I'm excited to try this out. What do you guys think?
I'm generally excited to try out the coffee that you mentioned too. I totally forgot about that. What I know in Ethiopia, you have to be 18 or older to drink coffee. Oh.
18 ዓመት መሙላት አለበት እንዴ አንድ ሰው ቡና ለመጠጣት ኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ? አረ ምን አይነት ነገር ነው ደግሞ ይሄ? ሰው ማን ነው ባካቸው ነገር? የትኛው አበሻ ደግሞ ሄዶ ያቃጠረው ማይሆን ነገር? እኛ ግማሽ ሲኒ እንጠጣ ነበር እንዴ ጩጬ እያለን ነው። ያው ልጅ ተውት፣ ያው ልጅ ጀበና ስር ነው የሚቀመጠው ሲጀመር።
Hey, bro, what are these facts?
I went on Google Facts for sure before trying it.
And also, something interesting going on is they have a little incense going. So we really feel like we're in the country today, you know?
And as you see the color, this is our flag, and this is the Lion of Judah.
Oh, the Lion of Judah.
Yes, and here is the coffee.
ጋይስ ሁሉ ነገር አሳምራ አምጥታ ማለት ነው። ሲኒ ምናምን ጸዴ፣ በቃ ሁሉ ነገር ጸዴ ሆኖ ምን ታነሳ ጀበና። እኛ ደግሞ ዩኒክ የሚያደርገን ነገር ጀስት ሲኒ ብቻ አልነበረም፣ ዋራባን ጀበና የሆነ እሱም ቢያት በእርግጠኝነት የሆነ ሌላ ነገር ነው ይመስላቸው እና ሞር ደስ ይል ነበረ። ብዙ ነገሩ የተሟላ ነገር ነው እና ጀበና ግን ይጠፋል ብዬ አላስብም። እንዴት ችላ እንዳላችሁ አልገባኝም። ያውም ቪዲዮ ነው።
We just washed this coffee in the back.
Oh, freshly washed.
And the coffee smell, we smell, we do that every day in the back.
Oh, my
Fresh. Oh my god.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah, it is that incense.
Oh.
We always have incense, and we always have coffee.
በነገራችን ላይ ማለት ነው ቆይ
Oh.
በነገራችን ላይ ይሄ ነገር ሪል ነው። በቃ የትኛውም ቤት ቡና ሲፈላ ማይቀር ነገር ቢኖር ምንድን ነው? እጣን፣ ጭስ፣ ሽታ ግድ ነው። በቃ እሷ ምናች ልክ እንደ ውጮች በተለምዶ ምንድን ነው ፈንዲሻ ያለው ብዙ ጊዜ የሚጠቀሙት ኢንጆይመንት፣ እኛ ደግሞ እጣን ነው። ዩኒክ የሚያደርገን ነገር አንደኛው ይሄ ነው ማለት ነው። ባይዘዌ በጣም ብዙ ዩኒክ የሚያደርገን ነገር ሊኖር ነው ማለት ነው። እንደኛ ግን በርግጥ ብዙ ነው ዩኒክ የሚያደርገን ነገር ሰዎች በአፍ ማይቀረው
Yes.
So we're really getting the full experience right now. Ethiopian style.
It smells absolutely delicious.
Oh wow, that actually
Smells really good.
When we walked in here, it was the smell of incense. I
Yeah.
had no clue what it was for. It was meant for this moment right here.
And she said the incense are usually always burning when you drink your coffee. It's like part of the tradition. As you can see, it's burning right over there next to us.
So I'm excited to taste this. Birthplace coffee.
Oh, that's really good. That's good coffee, right?
That is
good coffee.
Definitely is on the stronger side. But if you like strong coffee, this is the coffee. I feel alive.
Come on,
Yeah.
please taste it. Oh my god. You know what it tastes like? It tastes like that coffee candy, but like a fresh coffee candy.
Sipping this.
Now I know why we didn't have the incense. It complements it.
Exactly. Hey man, cheers to this.
Oh yeah.
This is
Phenomenal.
phenomenal.
This is the
So we're supposed to.
By the way, guys, phenomenal ሲሉ ምን ላይ ታውቃላችሁ? ሰብስክራይብ አድርጉ። ሰብስክራይብ አድርጉ።
hold it this way, and then you drink it this way.
Okay.
Wow.
But
Thank you
do
so
not
much.
have to. I can
No, I'm going to.
I have to hold it just like this.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
I'm really happy. I don't know why. ለምን ደስ እንዳለኝ አልገባኝም፣ ግን የሆነ ደስ ይላል እንደ ሰዎች። እኔ ያልሰራሁት ምግቡ ምን አገባኝ፣ ግን የሆነ ሰው የእናንተ በዓል ሲወድላችሁ ሲያደንቅላችሁ በጣም ደስ የሚል ስሜት አለው እና ለመጀመሪያ ጊዜ ለመሆኑ ደግሞ በእርግጥ የኢትዮጵያ ምግብ ጸደይ ነው። ምንም ንጹህ ምግብ ነው ያለን። አብዛኞቻችን አንበላውም እንጂ
Enjoy.
We got the Ethiopian honey wine, aka Tej. You want to try this?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
That thing is good.
It went down really smooth. It's refreshing.
And it's
delicious.
sweet. You can definitely
You
taste
can
the honey.
taste the honey. Okay, let me tell you this. If I'm
ነግራቸው ይመስላችኋል፣ ግን የምትነግራቸው ይመስላችኋል ማለት ቪዲዮ ላይ ሳይገባ ግን አይቀርም አይደለም። እዚህ አበሻው ራሱ እኮ ከመጣፈጡ የተነሳ ዝም ብሎ እየጠጣ እኮ ይሰክራል። አስባችሁታል? እነዚህ ሰዎች ማርማር ነው እያሉ ቢጠጡና ነገር ቢሆን ሂሳብ አንከፍልም ቢሉ።
being honest, I'm not a big fan of wine, but this is delicious. I really like the bottle, the look of it. It's ice cold, refreshing. Honestly,
It has a very good, like, mild wine taste, but it also has the sweetness from the honey. So it balances out really well.
I like it. Really solid beverage, very refreshing. 9 out of 10.
I agree with Jordan. I'm also going to give this a 9 out of 10. This thing is bomb. I'm going to finish this right now before we get our meal. I'm excited for that meal.
I'm excited for that meal too. Stay tuned.
There we are.
ጋይስ እንዴት አባቱ ነው የሚያምረው! ማርያምን ጸደይ ነው በቃ። እኔ ራሱ ራቤ ማለት ነው። ኧረ በኢየሱስ ደስ ይላል በጣም። ያው እንደ አበሻ አይናችን ሁሌም ላይ የሚችለው ነገር ቢኖር አንድ ነገር ነው፣ እሱ ስጋው ነው። በቃ ስጋው ፒስ ነው። አንዷን መደበኛ ነው የቤታችን ችግር የለብንም። ማለት አይደለም ግን ያው አይ ቲንክ በዚህ ፓርት እንደዚህ ከፍሎ እሷ ያለችው ምናልባት ይሄ በቃ ከስጋ ነክ ነገሮች አይ ቲንክ ቬጂቴሪያን ናቸው እነዚህ። ከዚህ መልስ ደግሞ ወደዚህ እንዴ ጋይስ እና እኛ አሁን ሀበሻ ሙሉ ቬጂቴሪያን ነው ማለት ነው። ምክንያቱም አብዛኞቻችን ስጋ የምንበላው ከሆነ ዛሬ ገና ነው ያረፍኩት። በነገራችን ላይ እንደዛ አይመስለኝም ነበር።
Looks amazing.
Absolutely. Let me grab some more injera.
This is a feast, family style edition.
This is injera. So you grab one, open it up like that, and you cut a piece.
Oh wow.
So soft.
Yeah.
There you go. Thank you. Oh, it's so soft.
This is a meat dish.
This is
a
meat.
veggie.
Veggie.
And that one is the whole dish. The one
This is
I
awash.
told you
This
about, the
awash. This is
special.
beef.
That's not a lot.
በነገራችን ላይ ማለት ነው ለእያንዳንዱ ምግባችን ጣዕሙ ወሳኝነት ያለው ምን ጋር ነው ታውቃላችሁ? እንጀራው ላይ የፈለገ ይሁን። እስቲ እያንዳንዱ ምግቦቻችንን በዳቦ ሞክሩት። ያን ያህል እኮ ቴስት የለውም። እግዚአብሔር ይህ ማለት የምግቡ ጣዕም ያለው ሞሬቱ ላይ ነው ማለት ነው፣ እንጀራው ላይ ነው ማለት ነው። ምክንያቱም እኛ እንጀራ ስለለመድን ነው። ግን እንጀራ በጣም ጸዴ ነገር ነው። ደብሊው ለአባቶቻችን ነው። ኖ ደብሊው ለእናቶቻችን። እናት ነች እንጀራ
I'm gonna go for the beef. Yeah, let's all go for that. And then we just pick it up like this. Oh my goodness.
Just try to get it together and put it in your mouth.
Alright, here we go. Together?
ገና የተወለደ ህፃን ልጅ ማለት ይሄ ጩጬ ህፃን ልጅ እንጀራ ለመጀመሪያ ጊዜ በራሱ መብላት ሲጀምርና እነዚህ አንድ ናቸው። በቃ አታያቸው በኋላ ልቁጥቁጥ ነው የሚሉት። በቃ ከነ ማለት ነው አያያዝም አይችሉበትም።
Okay. I'm taking this whole thing.
Oh, you guys get your own.
in. As soon as you put it in your mouth, boom, flavors, everything you can imagine. And it has a little bit of spiciness to it, so a nice little kick.
Okay, I've never had anything like this. My tongue is like, I wouldn't say it's on fire, but it's tingling. My tongue is tingling right now. The meat is perfect, super soft. It's just a very unique dish, but delicious and new.
And the bread balances it out perfectly because it almost tastes like a sourdough. And that with the meat and the spices.
Check this out. So it comes in this roll, and then you go in here and you just pick it up. You have your 5 senses, right? Your sight, your smell, your taste, your hearing, but also touch. When you eat with your hands, you're hitting all 5 of those senses, and the food is delicious on another level like this.
W Habesha food. W well.
My mouth is still tingling from that first bite. Sensation. I'm gonna go ahead and try out some of the vegetarian side of this.
Should we try this one?
Yeah.
Let's see.
3, 2, 1. Oh, that is spinach heaven.
That is very healthy. Very
healthy, yeah.
That is very healthy.
That was very light.
It's very refreshing and it's a nice balance when you're having the meat and then the veggies on the side.
We can't be.
Guys. شو بدي يعني قطعات.
That is very healthy. Very
healthy, yeah.
That is very.
ፖዝ ሹ እዚህ ጋር ሊገጭ ብሎ አየር ላይ ሌላተው ማለት ነው። ይህን ሳይ ምን ትዝ እንዳለኝ ታውቃላችሁ? ይህን ሽፉት። እኔ ምንም አላልኩም። በቃ ያየሁትን ነው። እሺ
That was very light.
It's very refreshing and it's a nice balance when you're having the meat and then the veggies on the side.
We can't be eating veggies without the vegan himself. Jay, you gotta try some of this here. So these are the veggie dishes. So why don't you go ahead and try this out? You see what they do?
By the way, guys, W as a family. በጣም ነው የሚመቹኝ።
The bread?
I think this one right here is Alicia Ater King or something like that.
Okay. And then
I'm excited to try this one.
one?
Split peas, garlic, turmeric, and a mild sauce.
Oh, okay. Split peas.
Seems like all the vegetarian options are really healthy.
Oh yeah. Cheers.
Cheers.
Wow.
That thing is like bursting with flavor.
I'm vegetarian. If I had this every day of my life, I could be vegetarian. That has so much flavor in it with the peas, the turmeric, the garlic really shines through.
Yeah.
It's almost like a garlic mashed potato.
There has to be more ingredients in it because there's no way there's only 3 ingredients in it.
Wow.
It's like an explosion of flavors.
Okay, let's try this one right here.
This one's definitely beef. This one's lamb right here for sure.
That one's lamb? Okay.
Okay.
It's a little beef. Cheers. Okay. Let me tell you what this is. This is very similar.
Is that brown chicken?
I don't know, but it's very similar to like spaghetti. Spaghetti sauce. You know what I mean?
It's not exactly like spaghetti sauce, but I see what you're saying. I think what it is, it's like a tomato paste, kind of like curry. All
Okay.
these are like in between like a curry and a stew.
Okay.
You feel me?
No, that is true because they do all have such unique sauces
Yeah.
and flavors, and then they have different types of spices within it. As you guys can see, it's all bursting with different colors and unique Ethiopian flavors. Amazing. Who wants to try some?
So I've been eyeing this chicken for a very long time, ever since we got this. You know what? It kind of looks like a traditional Afghan dish called korma, or very similar looking
አልጫ ስጋ ወጥ ነው ይሄ።
to an Indian dish called chicken tikka korma as well. It really tastes just like it. Rich in the flavors. Oh yeah.
It's lighter than all the other dishes. It doesn't have that spice in your face. Very light. The protein is shining, and I think what I like about this one is it has a green sauce, and it's more refreshing, especially with this injera sourdough type of bread going on.
You guys honestly took the words right out of my mouth. The chicken just melts in your mouth. Very good.
You know what's crazy about all these dishes?
Yeah.
Is they all look so different and they're all so unique. And when you try each one, it's like a new tastes coming all over the place.
Yeah. So we ordered this huge dish, and it's just on a family platter. So we all really have to come together and share. No, you don't have time to play on your phone because your hands are a little bit dirty. Because your phone greasy. You know what I'm
Good
saying?
point.
So now you got to talk to each other. You got to hang out. You got to have a traditional family dinner.
Have some coffee.
ያ እውነት ነው ያለው ነገር ልክ ነው። ግን ምን መሰላችሁ አሁን እየጠፋ ነው ያለው ይሄ ነገር። በነገራችን ላይ ድሮ ምንለው ገበታ ሲቀርብ አይወራም አይደል? አሁን ግን ከመለማመዳችን የተነሳ ነው በግራ እጃችን ስልካችን ይዛለን፣ በቀኝ እጃችን ደግሞ ምግብ ማለት ነው። አሁን ሰው የፈለገው የምግብ ሁኔታ ምቹ አይደለም ለመነካካት ስልክ በመጎርጎር ነው ቻት ለማድረግ ከቤተሰብ ጋር መሆን አሪፍ ነው ይባላል። ግን ያ የቤተሰብ ጊዜ ግን አሁን አለ አብዛኞቻችን ቤት እኮ የለም። አብዛኛው ቤት እኮ እንደውም አብዛኛው በትሪ ራሱ ቀርቷል። በሳህን ነው የሚያቀርባል። ግን ሀሳቡ ግን በዛው ይመስላል ያስኬዳል።
Feet together, some wine, and just enjoy this amazing dish. I think what's also amazing about this, and I guarantee you this is the best part, is if you look closely, the bottom of it is actually injera. So all the sauces are seeping and soaking into it. That once this is done, you finish the dish by eating this bread that's soaked up all the delicious flavors.
That's probably the best part, the injera with all the flavors.
You know what? I'm gonna take a part of this right now. I'm gonna try this dish. I believe this right here is the lamb.
That is the lamb for sure. You can tell by the bone.
Everybody knows this about me. I love lamb.
Yes.
Anywhere I go, I always get the lamb dish. So I'm a big lamb connoisseur. There's something about the gaminess about lamb that I really enjoy. Let me see what this is like. Fire?
Alright, I gotta try that now.
No, this is the best thing here. Oh, wow.
Oh, watch out for your sleeve.
Don't care. I wanted to do it. That is good lamb right there.
Let's see what that's right there.
Please. Yo, right? So it's even softer and more tender than this beef dish here.
Bro, I didn't even have to chew it, like melts in your mouth.
No,
this
lamb.
is tender.
Wow, that was different, guys. You guys want to try the lamb?
I think that's a piece of lamb right there for you.
Yeah, that's lamb.
Oh yeah. Literally melts right in your mouth.
It melts.
Yeah.
It literally.
You didn't even have to chew.
The Awashi special is called Awaze Chikana, and when we come to the meat dish, we have this one. It calls Minchet Abish Alicha, and that right there is Minchet Abish Aywet. This right here is Siga Aywet. This right here is Siga Alicha. The middle right there is the lamb dish called Yebeg Wet.
That was my favorite one. That was my favorite one.
And then when we go to the vegetarian side, that one is red lentil, sweet peas. Red one is
Good.
Betamturu.
That's the best way I can describe it.
በጣም ጥሩ እናመሰግናለን።
Jordan and Justin Kamal, they had the meat dishes. I'm gonna go with the cabbage. I'm gonna try the red lentils. You try the cabbage. Alright. Look at that.
ጋይስ ሴትዮዋ ግን የምሬ ነው ጸደይ ሰው ነች። የሆነ እንትን ነው የምታደርገው ትሪት የምታደርግበት ወይ ማለት ነው። በጣም ጸደይ ነው የምር ሀበሻ ነች ሴትዮዋ።
I don't even like vegetables like that, and this is bomb. It's so simple, but so good. Mine is spicy. Mine has a real good kick to it. Which one did you get? The red lentils. Are you sure you didn't get that into it?
I think I did a collab.
Oh, wow. I would argue that these lentils are the Michael Jordan of all lentils. They're that good.
Oh, really?
And I'm not even a lentil fan. Get some of that sauce with it. I'm telling you, it's a kick, right? Hits your tongue right away.
I can feel like the black pepper just hitting you right away.
Yeah.
I think it's the black pepper. I wonder what other
There's a good amount of curry.
they had a lot of bunch of different flavors.
There's that influence in the food. You
Yeah.
can taste it. But there's some other type of chicken dish here that no one has touched that I gotta check out right here. I believe this is
ጋይስ ይሄኛው እንትን ነው ምን ነበረችው ምንቸት አልጫ ያኛው ምንቸት በቀይ ነው። ይሄኛው አሁን ሰው የያዘው ምንቸት አልጫ ነው። ሶ
chicken. Oh yeah. Oh, that's like almost like a ground chicken. Very light, very different than the other chicken. Because the other chicken had more of like a chicken tikka taste to it. This one's very light. It has onions in it. Phenomenal. Wow. Because these lentils were so good, I'm assuming that these will be just as good.
That had a kick to it. I wonder what this is gonna taste like.
ይሄ ነገር እስቲ ምን እንደሚሆን እንስማ። ብዙ ሽሮ አይወድም እዚህ ራሱ ነው።
Bro, this one I just had tastes identical to the Indian lentils.
It's crazy how they can make lentils so flavorful. They put different spices, different peppers, all to make something.
ባይ ዘ ዌይ ጋይስ እኔ እንጃ እውነት ውሸት አላውቅም፣ ግን ፉድ ምግብ ራሱ ልክ እንደ ሚውዚክ ሲዝናል ነው የሚሆነው። እንዴት ነው ድሮ እኔ ሽሮ ወድ ነበር ማለት ደስ ይለኝ ነበር። አሁን ግን ሽሮ አይደለም የምወደው። የሆነ ጊዜ የሆነ ወቅት ላይ የሆነ ነገር ተለምዶ ያን ነገር አዳፕት አደረግታለሁ ከዛ የሆነ ሰዓት ሰለቻል።
So beautiful. You know what I'm gonna do right now? I'm at an all-time high because this food's so good. You see this? This is very strong, right? Yeah. It's a lot of coffee. Cheers. The whole thing. Let's get it.
You're gonna drink the whole thing?
We are gonna drink the whole thing. 3, 2, 1.
ቡናውን አለበዘዙትና የሆነ የገዘገዘ ቡና የሚጠጡ ሰዎቹ
That is strong. I kind of burned my tongue, but I'll finish it. Oh, I feel that in my blood. Ooh, that's strong.
You guys like it? Wow.
I got the rest to go. Is it cool if I take this home? Hey.
No.
I'll take this.
No. Give me the Awan. Let me take the Awan.
This experience, this meal trying Ethiopia.
አስባችሁታል? ግን ለቪዲዮ ቢሆን እንደዚህ ይሆን ያሉት በቃ እኔም ወስዶ ምናምን ተባብረውና ምግቡን ከያዙ በኋላ ልክ ቪዲዮ ድርግም ሲል አሁን ካብለዛ ብላው አንተ ወይም እንደዚህ አለ በጣም በቃ ምናምን የሚባባሉ አይሉም። ግን ሪያክታቸው የምር ነውና እንደዛ ጀጅ ለማድረግ ፈልጊያለሁ። ግን የምሬ ነው የምነግራችሁ ማለት ነው። ውጪ ላይ ላሉ ሰዎች ደብዱ ለምን የሀገራቸውን ምግብ እንደ ቢዝነስ ብቻ መስራት ሳይሆን በሰው ሀገር ሄዶ እንደዚህ ማስታወቅ መቻል ራሱ ትልቅ ነገር ነው ስላሰብኩ ነው፣ እንደ ራሴ እንደ ግሌ ማለት ነው። ጌታ እና ሰዎቹ ራሱ ጸዴ ናቸው። ባይዘው ይሄ ልጅ ሀበሻ ሊመስለው ጋይስ፣ ይህ ጸጉር ያተደጉ ልጅ የምር ሀበሻ ሊመስለው ነገር ስለው ምናምን ሁኔታው ቅልጥፍ ነው ምናምን ደስ ይላል። ይሄኛው ደግሞ ትንሽ ስለ ትራዲሽናችን የሆነ ነገር ያውቃል፣ ስለ ባህላችን ምናምን ትንሽ ወጣ ቢለው ከኋላ ያለው ልጅ ነው። ይሄኛው ወጣ ማለት ነው።
For the first time was special. It was delicious. The complexity in each dish, in each flavor was amazing. Overall, this was a 10 out of 10 experience. I don't know why. I've never had Ethiopian food before. It is delicious.
It was a first-class experience, my first time ever, and I will definitely be back. Also, in my opinion, a 10 of 10. And not to mention the people in here were so friendly, went out of their way, and went above and beyond. They actually made all of us feel like we were a part of their family.
That's exactly what I was saying. Ollie hit it the head on the nail. I really felt like I was in her house, and she was treating us as family, as guests, and it was...
ጋይስ ቅድም ያልኩት ነገር ማለት ነው ቪዲዮ መጀመሪያ አካባቢ ላይ ማለት ነው ያልኩት ሴትዮዋ ትሪት እያደረገቻቸው ያለው መንገድ በጣም ደስ ይላል። ሀበሻዊ የሆነ ነገር አለው አልኳችሁ። ዳስ ዋይ አሁን እነሱ እያሉት ያሉት ነገር ትክክል ነው። ትሪት ያደረገቻቸው መንገድ ልክ ተስተናግዶ የሚበሉ ሳይሆን የመሬ ነው ምናረገች ወይ ቤተሰብ ቤታችሁ መጥቶ ስታስተናግዱት ያለው አይነት ሁኔታ ያደረገች እና በጣም ደስ የሚለው ፍቅራቸው ምናምን ይመቻቸው።
Overall, an amazing experience. Trying Ethiopian food for the first time. I know Romel. Look at Romel. He is caffeined out right now. Look at
the coffee blew my mind. It was that good. The Awash, phenomenal. Listen, guys, if you guys haven't had Ethiopian food, put that on the top of your bucket list. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Guys, so ቪዲዮ እንደተመቻቸው አልጠራጠርም። ጌታ ጸዴ ነገር ነው ያለው። የሆነ ደስ ይላል። ሪያክታቸው ሪል የሆነ ነገር አለው። ቪዲዮ ከተመቻችሁ ላይክ አድርጉልኝ። እንዲሁም ደግሞ ቤተሰብ ደግሞ ሰብስክራይብ በማድረግ ጀማሪ ደግሞ አበረታቱኝ። አይ ቲንክ ጩጬ ሰብስክራይብ ላይ ያለኝ ምናልባት ቀስ ያለ ደግሞ እናሳድገዋለን። አሁን ገባችን ነው ነው ዋንኬ ለማስገባት ነው። ከዛ በኋላ እግዚአብሔር ከፈቀደ አሪፍ ቪዲዮዎችን እንሰራለን። እስከዛ ድረስ ግን በሪያክቱ እንቀጥላለን። ከዛ በኋላ ከፍ እያደረግን እንሄዳለን። በሚቀጥለው ቪዲዮ ምን አይነት ቪዲዮ እንሰራላችሁ ሀሳብ አስተያየት ካላችሁ ኮሜንት ሴክሽን ላይ ብታሳውቁን ደስ ይለኛል። ባይ ባይ።